Hello guys, in this video I'll be fixing not allowed installed on your phone. So when you are trying to install an app and it's not allowed for unknown apps to be installed on your phone, this is how to fix it. So first of all, tap on the install button. So as you can see, this is not allowed. So for your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Do you get me? So it's very important, and this is how to fix it. First of all, go to your settings, then you tap on allow. After that, you go back, then you tap on install again, and then this time it's going to install on your phone. So as you can see, it is installing. So it's very simple. This is how to fix it. Yeah, it's very simple. So if you are new to this video or you are new to this channel, then please tap on the subscribe button, like the video, and also share the video with your friends. We are all learning together. If you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section and I'm going to reply you back. Do you get me? Yeah. If you want us to do a certain topic or focus on a certain topic, just let me know and I'm going to help you. Okay, so thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. But let's wait whether it's going to install or not. Seems it has kept long. So as you can see, it has been installed. So let's try to open it and see. So this is an InShot editing app. This is it. So you can tap here to create a video. So let's allow it. So as you can see, it's really working and it has been installed. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.